These are not cheese singles, and they definitely aren't fruit leather. This is a half-gallon of oat milk that fits in your back pocket. In 2026, grocery store shelves look different than they did just 2 years ago, with heavy cartons slowly making way for lightweight, printed sheets. What sounds like a science fiction experiment is actually a massive shift in how we transport water, or rather, how we stop transporting it. This is the story of why companies started printing milk, and why you might never buy a jug again.
The product that started this wave, Milkadamia's flat-pack organic oat milk, hit full retail distribution back in January 2025. Before that, buying milk meant lugging home heavy cartons that were mostly water. Milkadamia, a company originally known for macadamia nut products, took a radical approach by removing the water entirely. They created thin, dry squares that look like sheets of paper that smell like fresh oats. You don't pour this milk, you peel it. A single pack contains 8 sheets, and despite weighing almost nothing, it reconstitutes into a full half-gallon of creamy milk. It solved a problem most shoppers didn't realize they had, which was paying to ship water across the country just to store it in their fridge.
The term printed milk isn't a metaphor.
These sheets are created using a proprietary 2D printing technology developed by a New York company called Vitiprints. Originally designed for making dissolvable supplement strips, the tech was adapted for food on a much larger scale. The process works by taking a thick, nutrient-dense oat paste and screen printing it onto a surface, similar to how a t-shirt design is applied. This paste is then dried into a stable, solid format. Unlike dehydration, which can ruin flavor, this printing method preserves the structural integrity of the oat concentrate. The result is a sheet that dissolves instantly when agitated, creating a texture that matches the liquid version you used to buy.
Environmental claims are often just marketing fluff, but the math here is brutally simple. Shipping liquid milk is inefficient because you are burning fossil fuels to move water from one place to another. By removing the liquid, these flat packs cut packaging waste by 94% and reduce shipping weight by 85%. Jim Richards, the CEO of Milkadamia, calls this pre-cycling. Instead of asking you to recycle a complex, plastic-lined carton that might end up in a landfill anyway, the company removes the waste before it ever reaches the store. It is a proactive reduction that makes the traditional milk jug look like a relic of a wasteful past.
Using printed milk requires a slight behavior change, but early adopters found it surprisingly intuitive. You simply tear off a sheet, drop it into a blender with water, and mix for about 30 seconds. For those without a blender, soaking the sheet in a jar overnight and giving it a hard shake works just as well. This creates a customizable experience where you can use less water for a rich coffee creamer or more for a lighter cereal milk. Since the sheets are shelf-stable for over a year, you never have to worry about that half-empty carton going sour in the back of the fridge. It turns milk from a perishable grocery item into a pantry staple.
Milkadamia wasn't the only player pushing this format. In Europe, a German company named Vegans launched their own printed Mil-Lilk sheets, using the same Vitiprints technology back in 2023. Now, in 2026, we are seeing this expand beyond just oats. Plans for printed almond and soy milk sheets have moved from concepts to reality. targeting consumers who want premium plant milk without the premium shipping costs. While liquid milk won't disappear overnight, the flat pack aisle is growing fast. It proves that sometimes the best way to solve a heavy problem is to simply print a new solution.
What started as a weird novelty has exposed a massive inefficiency in our food system. We spent decades moving heavy water across continents in plastic jugs when we could have just moved the nutrients. Printed milk represents a shift towards smarter consumption, where we stop paying for packaging we don't need. If you found this look at 2026 food tech fascinating, subscribe to the channel for more deep dives into the everyday innovations changing our world.